Hello everyone, you're watching The Savera and I'm Pavit Kaur. Today we have two very special people with us who have traveled all the way around 350 kilometers from Delhi to Punjab to celebrate the commemorative Martyrdom Day of 350 years of Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. Right now I'm at Sri Anandpur Sahab and with me I have the two PR officials. One is the Joint Director Public Relations from Punjab government and another is the Senior Photographer from Public Relations. This is Mr. Manvinder Singh and with me I have Mr. Jaswinder Singh. Manvinder sir, I will start with you. We are well aware that we are celebrating the 350th commemorative Martyrdom Day of Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. And you have taken this in a very special and in a very initiative way. You have cycled around 350 kilometers all the way from Delhi to Punjab. What on this cycle? What was the reason behind the same? Why you wanted to celebrate it into a very different way?
Ma'am, basically, Punjab government is already organizing a series of events to mark the commemorative events to mark the Martyrdom Day of 350th Martyrdom Day of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib. So, this is personally, as you asked me, it was my devotion and my faith which inspired me to pedal around 350 kilometers on bicycle with my colleague and friend Jaswinder Singh. It was totally my personal devotion and faith that inspired me to go all the way.
So when did you start?
We started on November 5th. It was on Wednesday. In the morning, we started at around 7 a.m. from Delhi. And we traveled all the way to Karnal. We stopped there. Next morning, again, we started at 7 p.m. and reached Chandigarh it was yesterday at around 4 p.m. And today from Chandigarh, we have again started in the morning at 7 a.m. and reached.
How has the weather been?
Weather has been very kind because I think when this is not me who is doing all this. I think it is Vaheguru who has blessed us with the spirit to go all the way. We wanted to pay our tributes to the legendary Sikh warrior Baba Jivan Singh Ji, Bhai Jeta Ji, who had brought the severed head of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib from Shishganj to here at Kirpur Sahib and then Shri Anandpur Sahib. It is basically a tribute to that legendary warrior because it is unimaginable that how many hardships he would have faced at that time, being a hostile government and that too tyrannical government, which was all the way bent upon destroying the religious freedom of everyone. So we just wanted to pay our tribute to that legendary warrior.
So, 350 kilometers, it's like I am not saying anything that age is not on the side or but there are so many factors. Sometimes your health does not allow, sometimes the weather is not favorable. So, how were you able to make up your mind and how were you able to tell your family about the same? Because sometimes we make some decision, our families are like, no, it's too far, such a journey. How you're going to complete that? How supportive was the family in this decision?
To be very honest, at none point of time we realized that we are doing any extraordinary thing. It was a normal cycling experience for both Jaswinder and me, and we were coming all the way. Of course, remembering Vaheguru and taking
Are
his.
you a cycle enthusiast or you did it out of faith or you do cycling on the daily basis
Yeah,
also?
I do cycling, but not so long. The last time I did so long cycling was from Jalandhar to Sultanpur Lodi. It was around 144 kilometers, and that was during the 550th Prakash Purva of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. But Jaswinder has never done that. So
So Jaswinder ji, did Manvinder ji inspired you or was it just you have to come with me in a friendly gesture that you have to accompany me no matter what happens?
it was basically it was basically the simple thing is that we went to Delhi for covering an event of the Punjab government.
Okay.
So while sitting at Gurdwara Sisgan Sahib, I don't know. I think it is divine intervention only. So I asked him, can we bicycle all the way from here to uh, Anandpur Sahib? So he said, will you accompany me? He said he's always ready for this thing. He said yes, I will. And then we asked our two friends, because as you asked me, I was a bit skeptical about this thing, that traveling around 350 kilometers, and that too on national highway
Right.
where the flow of traffic is very huge. So we asked our friends, we should you accompany us and uh, place the car around 20 kilometers ahead us,
Okay.
so that in case we face any sort of problem, so we can come out with that. So it was
Right.
all.
It was like that
Yeah.
only. So, any message that you would like to give out to the people out there on the 350th years of martyrdom? Any teachings, any lessons that you have learned through your this journey?
Ma'am, I'm too small to give any message to anyone, but I think Guru Sahib had already given a very big message to people about religious tolerance, about humanitarianism. I think we should follow Guru Sahib, Gurbani, and of course the legendary warrior like Baba Jivan Singh, who sacrifices everything for the sake of Guru. That is a big inspiration for all of us, and we
But
should.
I would really want you to give a message out to the youngsters out there. Cycling does not only have a spiritual thing, but it has a very long-lasting effect on your health also. And we are seeing the AQI levels and so many things are these days. We know that there is a health crisis that is going around everywhere. Any particular message for that?
I think everything lies in the teachings of Guru Sahib only, ma'am. Whether we have to preserve the environment, whether we have to preserve the communal harmony, brotherhood, or whether we have to preserve the humanitarianism. So I think we all should follow Guru Sahib's message, and especially Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, who is who sacrificed his life for the sake of humanity, is a source of inspiration for all, and we should follow.
Thank you so much, Marvinder ji. So this was the Joint Director, Public Relations, Punjab Government, who travelled 350 kilometers from Delhi to reach Anandpur Sahib as a respect, as a mark of respect to commemorate the 350th Martyrdom Day of Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur ji. With Bunny, this is Pavit Kaur for the Savera.